In this quick video, I want to show you how to fix a non-working Xfinity Comcast remote that's no longer working with your TV. And I'm going to show you two methods. It's fairly simple to do. First thing I want you to do is just hold down the setup button here on the bottom, and the top of the red is going to turn green. Now, before you do this, go ahead and open up the back, and there's going to be two AA batteries in it. A lot of times these are weak, and so if you hit setup and you realize that there's no light that's on, you probably just need to replace your AA batteries. So do that first. All right, and if you do see a light, then the batteries are working. So what you're going to do is point your remote to the TV, regardless of what kind of TV that you have. You're going to hold down the setup button until the red turns green. It turns green. And then what you're going to do is you're going to do 991. So 991. And then immediately, while you're pointing the remote at the TV, hit the up channel button 20 times in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so you can see there that's working. And then hold down setup again. And as you can see there, it's working with my Roku TV, but again, it doesn't matter what kind of brand TV that you have. All right, for whatever reason, if that doesn't work, instead of doing 991, do 981. So what I'm going to do is hold down the setup button until that turns green. And then I'm going to do 981. And that actually should start making it work just doing 981. But if not, do the up channel button 20 times and then hit setup at the end. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. And tell me what brand TV that you have. Do you have an Xfinity? Do you have a Roku? Do you have a Fire? What do you have?